Hello, this is an explanation video for Tuesday, October 5th. So from the main page of Schoology, come down here to Unit 1, the power of goals. Click here, Module 3, Week 5, new module. Come down to Day 2, October 5th. And let's start with the sync. This is what we will do together in class. So here is the agenda for today. We will practice using gerunds and infinitives to answer questions. You will also practice putting words in order to create coherent sentences. And we will learn about inference or inferring. Come back to the sync folder. Here is the speaking practice with gerunds and infinitives. Okay, so you will get into small groups, and each group will ask questions to their partner and give answers using gerunds and infinitives. So for example, if I start with, you will find a box where you want to start. So let's say I want to start here. I choose this box here. What is something special you really want to do before you die? You will ask this question to your partner, and your partner will give an answer. And then after you finish with this question, you follow this arrow, right? It's pointing this way, and it takes you to this next question. Have you ever forgotten to do something important? What? And then you follow the arrow to this one, and then you talk about this one, and then the arrow brings you down here, right? And so after each question, you follow the arrow to the next box, and then you keep following these arrows until you finish all of the questions, okay? And make sure to use gerunds and infinitives in your answers. Then we will come down to here. This is inferring. So click on this. So this is about inference. This is an introduction. What does it mean to infer? Okay, it's an important reading skill and strategy. And we're going to practice doing some inferring. We will get into small groups, and we will read these different short stories. They don't tell us where the person is in each story. We have to decide, where is this person in the story? And how do you know? Okay, how do you make your decision about where this person is? So if this is your story, for example, number 1, you will read number 1, look at the information in the story, and then make a guess about where you think this person is. But make sure that your guess is based upon the information in this paragraph. Okay, so that is what we will do. We will discuss our answers after we finish. And then we will come down to this last activity here, practice unscrambling sentences. You will click on this, and it is linked to a Google Doc called Unscramble These Sentences. You will open it, and we will try to use the basic sentence structure that we use in English. Subject, verb, and then object. Right? We have subject first, verb second, object third. That is what you will see in almost every sentence. And you will try to look at these sentences. These sentences are out of order, and you need to correct them by putting them in the correct order. Okay? And so, for example, for number 1, you will write your answer here next to the arrow. For number 2, you will write your answer here next to the arrow. Okay, and you will do that for each of these all the way down to number 10. You will work with a partner to find the right answers for these sentences. All right, so that is the end of the sync activities. Let's take a look at the async activities here, independent work. So the first thing is a Nearpod. This is information about inference. This is our new reading skill that we're learning about. So click here so you can open it in a new tab. See, it's a new tab here. Okay. Make sure to enter your name, please. Click join lesson and go through these slides. They give you very helpful information about inference and what it means. And then it will give you quiz questions, and you need to answer all the questions and read all the slides. This is all very helpful to help you gain an understanding of inference. Next, go back to the async folder. Okay, so this is for speaking tests. There are only a few students who did not take the speaking test. For the morning, it is Cindy, Natalia, Yasode, Kathy, and Anna. Those students should sign up on here for a time for a speaking test. So here are the times that are available: Wednesday, 11 o'clock, Wednesday, 11:15, Thursday, 11 and 11:15, and Friday at 11. So in the comments, write what day you want to sign up for. Okay, that is only for those 5 students. If you already took a speaking test, you don't have to do this. And in the evening, you will have a similar sign up, but it is only for 2 students. So please sign up for the times that are available on the evening schedule. That is it for today, Tuesday, October 5th. Thank you so much for listening, and best of luck.